Hey guys, hello and welcome. In this video we're going to change the fuel filter and I'm going to show you how to bleed the air out of the fuel system. Okay, so fuel filter, which is located just back here. Of course it wouldn't be standard, so it's 11 that undoes the nut. So we're going to do that now. Now with the old dirty fuel filter removed, we can throw it in the bin. Yeah! Now with the new fuel filter on, I can tighten it up. Perfect. Next, only because we were having a lot of fuel problems, we're going to open up the fuel pump and see if there's any dirt inside. So just a nut on top. This is a filter. And we're going to give that a blowout, and I'm going to clean out all the sediment and any dirt that's in there. Okay, so I didn't get to record it, but I do have it all lovely and clean back again, and just tighten it up. Only because the old fuel pipe was starting to break up, I discarded it, installed a new one, and I have an inline filter as well that's visual, so I can see if there's any dirt, because we were having a lot of fuel starvation problems. So I think is maybe the diesel was either old or the tank has gone dirty, or maybe a bit of both. So by just having a visual one, I can also see if there is dirt. If the dirt is here, obviously it's further down the line as well. But hopefully this will be another way of catching it. And it's a very visual way of seeing if there's any dirt in the fuel tank or in the fuel lines. So now time to bleed everything. Okay, now again, because nothing is metric, this is 14. Yeah, 14. So we're going to undo this nut up here. It's also the highest point of the entire fuel system, so it means all the air will naturally want to come up to the top. So then we have our fuel pump down here. Come on. Okay, you can hear it coming out now. Yeah. We can tighten that back up again. Perfect. Okay. So next we want to crack an injector open. This is the fuel pump, obviously going up to the fuel injector, so we can just open it here. Okay. Now obviously with the tractor in neutral, we're going to just try and start it. So also had to open the nut just up here on top of the fuel pump to try and bleed off some air, which is after coming out there now. Okay, so this is another little bleeder there on the side of the pump, and I've left for bleeding it off there now, so I can tighten it up again. So there was a little tiny bit of air just in here. Make sure it's on tight as well. Okay, so let's see if this works now. One! So you used to just have to impress people to get your video liked on YouTube. Now you just have to impress the algorithm. But to do that, please do subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have a Leyland 262 or even the Leylands, the 272s onwards. And yeah, I'm sure I've done some things wrong, probably shouldn't have started it with the spanner, but look, it's in neutral, it's all that. I'm a professional. So don't worry, it's still live. And yeah, we have the tractor running, so delighted with that. So don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.